I'm Osayomore, a front-end advocate at Atop Web Technologies. Let's talk about the importance of learning HTML in 2025. Learn HTML, the foundation of web development. In order to become a hands-on web developer, it is very essential to learn HTML. HTML is one of the building blocks of a web developer's journey. It helps you to structure the content of a web page, like text, images, and links, in a clear and organized way. Understanding how HTML impacts accessibility and optimization. Understanding HTML semantics, that means using the right HTML tags for the right content, plays a vital role in how your web application works. It helps make your site accessible to various users, especially those using screen reader and other accessible tools. It also supports better web optimization to your site performance and follow best practices. Step 3. Move to CSS for styling and responsiveness. Before moving to CSS, make sure you are comfortable with the basics of HTML. Then CSS will help you style your website and make it responsive so it looks great on all screen size, for example, mobile or desktop. Step 4. Don't forget to use documentations and videos. It is also important to study the documentation while going through videos. HTML and CSS can be found on various platforms, the videos, for example, on YouTube and other learning sites. Good learning sites like W3 School can help you understand this concept better and faster. That is the first journey of becoming a front-end developer. Stay consistent and you will keep improving. With every line of code, it is very important. Thank you. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you find it helpful.